Now make potato, pumpkin flour recipe. 2 potatoes. Cut it. Clean the potatoes. Add water. Add lid. After 15 minutes, cook the potatoes. Chopped coriander plant. Chopped green chili. Chopped onion. Mash the potatoes. Add all of the ingredients showed previously. Add salt. Add mixed spice. Add chili flakes. Mix well. Add mustard oil. Mix. Put the potato filling in the pumpkin flour. One cup FO gram flour. Add a 1/3 cup of rice flour. Add salt. Add mixed spices. Add red chili powder. Add curcuma powder. Add cumin powder. Add garlic paste. Add ginger paste. Add water. Mix well. Pour oil on the pan. Dip them in the batter. You're done.